The differentiator will be our service to the customer as a complete package, not just the product, but the entire cradle to grave, the services that we offer to the well engineers, the services we offer to the operators out there running this product out there in the field, and of course how well we can make our product in sales and service. So it's really the service aspect that's going to differentiate us from the others, I believe. I have never. This is my first AME conference, yes. Well, part of it was I brought a few other folks from my team, and so part of it is just a little opportunity for them to learn a little bit more and a little bit of team building while we're up here, and so taking back some things that we can then use as, let's say, the implementation team to strengthen our position working with the rest of the employees there. A few of us came out of other industries, and we came to this industry primarily because we thought we could make a difference, and part of that difference was bringing on a lean manufacturing culture. And I think we're at a very early stage. It's been an industry that's kind of been doing things the way they've been doing it for quite some time, and to be honest, they've been quite profitable in doing so. So where a lot of companies look at lean as maybe a way of saving their company, because if they don't do something dramatic they'll go under. That's not necessarily the case with us, but still I think there's a lot of improvement that could be made, but especially in the area of response to the customer and customer service. So I think that's really the driver we're looking at, is how do we get better for our customers, reduce lead time, not to be so much jerked around by the supply chain itself, but manage our situation a little bit better and give a lead time reduction, better response to our customers. So that's what we're trying to do there. Mainly it's first of all having everybody understand what it is that drives those things. So why is it important to look at the customer from a customer perspective? Why is it important to look at lead time and what can be done, and how each of these steps along the way adds to that lead time? So the concept of value stream mapping, as an example, was a unique thing because nobody had ever looked at all of the process from start to finish, from supplier to customer, in a way that they were all kind of focusing on their own little island of what they had to do without looking at it as a total business even, really. So it's really putting the whole thing out there so people can see what is the impact of each and every one of those steps. My experience has always been in high volume repetitive manufacturing, and our business is more of a build to order. And so what I'm trying to learn here is, and so I'm targeting some of these people that have done lean implementations in more of a job shop environment, where they have to respond quickly to the customer. They don't get a whole lot of good forecast data, so the market intel is maybe not quite so good. But how do they respond? How do they process all that stuff so that they can really be responsive to the customer? So the takeaway I'm looking at is how does lean manufacturing work in a less than repetitive manufacturing environment?